I've been using the Possible Cash Advance mobile app for a while now, and this is my honest and unbiased review. So let's dive in and see if it's the right fit for you. One of the main reasons I chose Possible Finance is its quick access to cash without a traditional credit check. The app offers short-term loans of up to $500, making it a viable option for those in need of emergency funds. Unlike payday loans, Possible allows repayment in 4 installments over a few weeks, which can ease the financial burden. Another advantage is that the app reports payments to credit bureaus, helping users build credit with responsible borrowing. Moreover, the application process is straightforward, and approvals are often instant, with funds available within 24 hours. However, there are some cons to consider. For instance, the interest rates are significantly higher compared to other cash advance options, which can make borrowing expensive. Plus, some users have also reported challenges with customer support, particularly with repayment adjustments and account verification. Additionally, Possible Finance is not available in all states, which limits accessibility for many potential users. Another aspect worth mentioning is the repayment flexibility. While the app provides automatic payments and reminders, missing a payment can lead to additional fees and can negatively impact your credit score. So it's crucial to ensure you can commit to the repayment schedule before borrowing. Overall, my experience with the Possible Finance mobile app has been positive in terms of convenience and accessibility. As always, do consider speaking with an expert before making any decisions. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on this heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.